Today we're showing you a 2016 John Deere 3025E tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a John Deere D160 front end loader. Tractor was traded in locally here. The fellow simply was upgrading to a little bit larger tractor. He got a little bit more acreage and he wanted a bigger tractor, so he traded this unit back in on a larger machine. Tractor's in good shape. Has been stored inside the bulk of its life. The engine is rated at 24 horsepower, which means that it has none of the Tier 4 emission filtration systems on it, so has none of the DPF, DEF, none of those systems are on this machine. Has the John Deere style hookup for your bucket connection. Paint's in nice shape. It does have a couple lights up top there and then an LED light bar facing the back. Hydrostatic transmission, 2 pedals for forward reverse. Tires are in nice shape. Has a drawbar, stabilizer, chains, PTO, top link, everything is here. It's a nice, clean, good running little tractor. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the US. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used machines, please contact us at masttractor.com.